Greetings, Jake Bernstein with the twochimps.net metals stocks. We have some significant developments over there. Now remember, we told you that this was the time of the year for gold to rally and for metals to rally in general. That has happened. I want you to take a look at the gold chart. Remember, if you're an investor, you're trading from the intermediate monthly chart. If you're a trader, you're trading from the daily chart. Trading from the daily chart, the trend remains down on our indicators. However, I want to point out to you the significance of Friday. Very large range bar outside day. Usually these indicate the beginning of a change in trend, but they must trigger. So be prepared, there's something brewing in the gold, not sure what it is, but if it's this time of the year, the probability is that it's bullish. Now, if you look at the silver, which we're going to do right here, and these are futures, the silver chart looks basically the same as the gold. However, I want to point something out to you that you may not have noticed, and that is the very strong trend in palladium. Notice what's happened. And remember, it's a very thinly traded market, so even though the trend has turned bullish, first on a divergence trigger here, then on a moving average channel trigger right over here, that does not impact the trading volume. Trading volume remains very low, so be prepared. As an investment, we still favor palladium for the longer term. I'm looking for some big moves. Now let's also look at XHB. Let's look at FCX, Freeport-McMoRan, where there's been some very strong professional buying. I think Carl Icahn has himself 5 million shares. And here's the FCX. As you can see, there's only a buy setup. Williams above its moving average, waiting for 2 bars above the top of the channel. Has not happened yet. But remember, this is an intermediate to long-term play, along with Southern Peru Copper and a few of the others. So be prepared. Metals and mining stocks bottoming. Gold still higher seasonally. Silver higher seasonally. Palladium, very constructive chart. Looks to be much higher than this based on the moving average channel. Give us a call or drop us a line if you have any questions. And remember, the metals are still intermediate to long-term worth accumulating for major positions when inflation comes back, and it's going to come. I assure you of that. Thanks a lot, and if you have any questions, drop us a line. Jake Bernstein signing off.